So hello everyone, welcome to the live learning app of Edupower Academy. This is your educator Sarth and this is your demo class on IPMAT Quantitative Aptitude. Okay, so quants forms an important part of the IPMAT exam. Today in the quant section we will be discussing some important Vedic maths techniques, some fast calculation techniques which will help you increase your calculation speed so that you can you can increase your accuracy and you can increase your number of attempt of the questions. Okay, so let's get started. So first trick is so we are studying fast calculation tricks, right? Fast calculation tricks. So the first trick which we are going to study is multiplying any number by 11. So how do we multiply any number by 11? There is a faster way of doing it, multiplying. So people who are watching the demo video, kindly have a pen and paper with you and kindly jot down whatever I am teaching. Okay, then only you will be able to grasp the concepts well. Multiplying any number by 11. So there is a faster way of doing it. All of us know how to multiply a number by 11, but the trick which I am going to tell you, it is a faster trick, it is a faster technique. Okay, so for example 35 into 11, the answer is 385. See, within 1 second I was able to get 45 into 11, the answer is 495. Okay, yeah, 36 into 11, the answer is 396. So how I was able to get the answer within a fraction of a second? What is the trick behind it? So this trick has to be applied when you have to multiply any number. Any number means it can be a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number. Any number you have to multiply by 11. So there is a trick of finding the answer. Now what is this trick? See, the trick is 35 when we multiply by 11. So 5 we write as it is at the ones place. Okay, then what we do is we add 3 and 5, 3 plus 5 it becomes 8, we write 8 at the tens place and then we write this as it is here. So answer comes out to be 385. Likewise, if I do 36 into 11, so 6 I write as it is, 6 plus 3 9 I write in the middle and 3 I write at this place. So this is how I find multiplication of any number by 11. Okay. Now what happens, I will just give you some questions, you just solve some questions. Yeah. 28 25 into 11, just tell me the answer. Yeah. 43 into 11, just tell me the answer. Yeah. Yeah, what is the answer? 25 into 11, so we write 5, 2 and 5 plus 2, 7, 275. 43 into 11, how do we write it? We write it as 3 here, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4 here. 473 is the answer to this question. Okay, 473. Now we will move on to little bit better questions. Okay, so for example I have to find 85 into 11. How do I find 85 into 11? 85 into 11, suppose I have to find, how do I find? So what I do is I write 5 here. Okay, then I do 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? 8 plus 5 is 13. 13. So in 13, 3 I am going to write here and 1 I am going to carry. Okay. Now 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is what? Now what I have to do with this carry forward? This carry forward I have to add to this place on the tens digit. That is 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So answer of 85 into 11 is 935. One more question we are going to do. Suppose you have to find 97 into 11. Yeah. 97 into 11. How do we get the answer? So we write 7 here, then we write 9 plus 7. What is 9 plus 7? 9 plus 7 is 16, right? 16 ka 6 I write here and 1 I carry forward, carry at the top. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. So answer comes out to be 1067. Okay. So this is the way of multiplying any number by 11. I am going to give you some practice questions so that you will improve your calculation speed. Yeah. 435 into 11. 263 into 11. How do I calculate it? 435 into 11. See, 5 here I keep. Next is 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. So I will write 8. Next is 4 plus 3, 7. So I will write here 7, and at the end 4 I am going to, as it is, copy here. So the answer will be 4785. Okay. Now 263 into 11. So how do I find 263 into 11? 3 as it is, 6 plus 3, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, and then I write 2, right. Once again I am going to tell you here. Yeah, 3 I write as it is, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 I write here, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 I write here, and 2 I write as it is, 2893. So the answer to this question is 2893. Okay. Some more questions we are going to solve. 4, 5, 8, 3 into 11 is equal to what? 7, 4, 9, 6 into 11 is equal to what? See, with the help of this trick, we are able to solve the question in a few seconds, right? If you would have used the older method of solving, it would have taken you a lot of time to solve, but with the help of this trick, we are able to solve it in a fraction of seconds. Yeah. So just tell me the answer. Okay. Yeah. So we write here 3. Then we write 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 we write here, 1 we carry upward. Then we write 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 is 13. Now 13 plus 1 this carry, we write, we will be writing 14, then 1 carry. Okay. Now 5 plus 4, 9, and 9 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. Again 1 carry. Now this 1 I will add to this 4. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. Okay. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. So answer will be 50413. Right. How to solve this question? This one, 6 we write as it is, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5 we write here, 1 carry, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1 will be 14, right. 1 again carry, 4 we write here. Now 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So 1 we write here and 2 here. Then 7 plus 1 will be, again 7 plus 1 will be 8. So the answer comes out to be 82456, right. So I think it's a very effective approach of solving questions of multiplying any number by 11. Okay, so this was your first trick. Now I think we can move on to the next trick. Trick number 2. Trick number 2. Trick number 2 is, finding the square of any number ending in 5. Finding the square of any number which ends in 5, ending in 5. Okay. So, how do we do it? So, see, suppose I have to find the square 25 into 25. Okay. I will be able to answer it in 1 second, just 1 second time is required and I will be able to answer it in 1 second. Yeah. So, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now, what is 2? What is the next digit of 2? 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Now, 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 3 2s are 6. So, this number 3 we have to multiply with this number 2. 3 2s are 6. Answer is 625. Okay. Next question. So, basically what we have to do is this 5 we have to multiply with this 5. 5 into 5 25. Then for this number we have to find the next digit. So, 2 plus 1 is 3 and then this next digit has to be multiplied with by this 2. 3 2s are 6. So, answer is 625. Okay. Now, suppose I have to find, now when this trick has to be applied, this trick has to be applied only and only when you have to find the square of numbers ending with 5. Okay. So, 5 into 45 into 45, what is the answer? 25. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 into 4 is 20. So, answer is 2025. Okay. Next trick, next question. Yeah, everyone please try to solve 65 into 65. Yeah, please try to solve everyone. Just tell me the answer 65 into 65. Yeah, answer is 5 into 5 25 and 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 6 are 42. Right? 4 2 2 5. Moving on to the next question. Suppose you have to find 85 into 85. Yeah. 105 into 105. How will you answer? Yeah. So, 85 into 85, we do 5 into 5, 5 into 5 is 25, okay, and 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 into 8 is 72. So, answer is 7225, right. Now, next is 5 into 5, 5 into 5 is 25, okay. Next is 10 plus 1 11, 11 into 10 is 110. So, the answer is 11025, right. Answer is 11025. So, you have got the two answers in a fraction of seconds. You are able to solve the questions, right. Otherwise, it would have taken a lot of time for you to solve these questions. Fine. Should I move on to the next trick? Yeah. Yeah, I hope each one of you is understanding, yeah, what we are solving here. Next trick is estimating the unit digit, estimating the unit digit of a number to eliminate options. Estimating the unit digit of a number to eliminate the options. Yeah. So, for example, I have a question. Suppose in an exam the question is, suppose 383 multiplied by 887. Suppose you have to solve this in the exam. Okay. Now, these tricks come in handy when you have to solve questions in the exam. Suppose in an exam you have to solve a question, and in this question you solve it. Okay, you do 2 or 3 steps after, and at the end you come with this multiplication. Okay. Now, so you have to solve it, and you have 4 options. You have 4 options. First option is 339721. Option number B is 339725. Option number C is 339724. Option number D is 339787. Okay. So, can you tell me just by looking at the options that which one is the correct answer? Can you just tell me? Yeah. So, this trick will come in handy when we have such kinds of questions. Now, what we do is we try to estimate the unit digit of this product. Okay. We will try to estimate the unit digit of this product. What is the unit digit of this product? 3 into 7. Now, 3 into 7 will give us 21, right. Now, what is the unit digit of 21? 3 into 7 is 21. What is the unit digit of 21? That is 1. Okay. So, the unit digit, see, whatever the answer is there, the unit digit of that answer should have 1, should be 1, right. So, in the options, which option has unit digit as 1? It is only option A which has unit digit 1, right. So, you can directly mark option number A and you can move ahead. You do not need to solve the entire sum, right. Are you getting my point? How do we estimate the answer just by looking at the unit digit. So, if you are able to get the unit digit of a multiplication or of an addition, your task becomes really easy, right. Now, I am going to give you some questions where you have to estimate the unit digit of the product, and when you practice it again and again, you will become you will develop accuracy in it, okay, and then you will be able to solve it in the paper. Now, some questions, please try to find the answer to these questions. Yes, what is the unit digit here? Tell me the unit digit. I just need to, you just need to tell me the unit digit. Okay, just tell me the unit digit. Yeah. So, unit digit of 483 into 782, yeah, starting with this one. So, basically you just need to focus on the units place. Okay. Now, 3 into 8, 24. So, unit digit is 4. Okay. Now, 3 into 2, 3 2 is 6. So, unit digit is 6, right. Now, 1 into 9, unit digit will be 9. Next is 5 into 5. So, basically what you need to do is to find the unit digit of any product, you have to just focus on the unit digit of this. Okay. Do not look at this 432, you do not have to look at 432, you just have to look at the unit digit. Okay. So, 5 into 5 will be 25. So, unit digit will be 5. 6 into 6 will be 36, unit digit will be 6. 3 into 8 will be 24. So, unit digit will be 4, right, fair enough. So, this trick was my third trick to find the unit digit of a number. We will be moving on to the next trick, which is multiplication of numbers which are close to 100. So, this trick will come in handy when you have to multiply multiplication of numbers close to 100. So, this trick, which is the trick number 4, it is going to come in handy when you have to multiply two numbers which are close to 100, right. So, numbers like 90, 91, 92, 93, 90 and so on up to 99, we have to multiply these numbers, or numbers like 101, 102, 103, 104 up to 110. So, when you have to multiply any two numbers which are close to 100, this trick is going to come in handy. Okay. Now, in this trick we have to take further three cases. Three cases we have to take. The first case is when both the numbers are less than 100. So, case 1, both numbers are less than 100. So, this trick has to be used when both the numbers are less than 100. Okay. So, for example, if we have to multiply, suppose 92 into 93. Okay. So, I am going to tell you, it will not take more than 10 seconds with this trick if you learn this trick well. Okay. This is the fast calculation trick. Yeah. So, what we have to do is, see, we have to take base. This, what is this 100? 100 is our base. This 100 is our base. Now, how much this 92 is less than 100? It is minus 8, right. Now, how much is 93 less than 100? It is minus 7. Okay. Now, magic happens. The product of 92 into 93 is nothing but this. 8 into 7 you get 56. Okay. 8 into 7 you get 56, and 92 minus 7, what do you get here? 92 minus 7 is 85. This is your answer, 8556, right. So, 8 into 7 you have to multiply, you get 56, and what you have to do here is 92 minus 7. 92 minus 7, what do we get? 85. Either this way or the other way. Other way, what is the other way? 93 minus 8, that is also nothing but 85. So, two way you can get 85 using the cross difference. Okay, 8556. Okay, so I am going to give you some questions and you please solve those questions, and when you practice this trick many times, then it becomes easier for you to apply it in the exam. The more you practice, the better you get. So when you purchase a subscription, what do we have here? Live classes. So in the live classes, what I do is I give you the question on the board, and then I ask my students to put all the answers in the chat box, and then they put the answers in the chat box. I name them that so and so person has answered correctly or incorrectly. Okay. So how do we solve 93? Okay. So this is 7 less than 100. This is 7 less than 100, and 95 is 5 less than 100. Okay. Now 7 into 5, 35, and 93 minus 5, that is what? 80. 93 minus 5 is 87, or 95 minus 7, sorry, this is 88. Yeah, 88, 8835. See, you are able to solve the answer. ठीक है, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड से आप निकाल पा रहे हो आंसर. नाउ 96, ठीक है, 4 इंटू 3 12, 96 माइनस 3 93, या फिर 97 माइनस 4 इज ऑल्सो 93, है ना. 92 इंटू 98, so 92 is minus 8 and this is minus 2. 8 into 2 we get 16. 92 minus 2 we get 90, or 98 minus 8 also we get answer as 90. So the correct answer here will be 9016. This question how do we solve? 93 minus 7, 99 minus 1. Okay. Now when we multiply minus 7 by 1, by minus 7 by minus 1, we get the answer is 7. But we are not going to write it as 7, we are going to write it as 07. Why? Because we know that our base is 100. So base is 100, that means our base has how many zeros? This 100 has how many zeros? It has 2 zeros. If this base has 2 zeros, that means this whatever multiplication we get, this should have at least 2 digits. They should have at least 2 digits, right? So answer will be 0, 7 and not 7. Next, 93 minus 1 is 92, or 99 minus 7 is again 92. So answer is 9207. Okay. So I hope you are able to get and grasp these tricks well, and if you are able to apply them in the exam, you will definitely be able to solve the entire paper. Okay, moving on, we will move on to the next case. The next case is when, I hope each one of you is clear with this trick. So, this was your case 1. Case 2 is when both the numbers are above 100, yeah, above the base. When both the numbers are above 100 or both the numbers are above the base. How do we solve it then? Yeah. So, again suppose we have to do 104 multiplied by 106, 104 into 106. Again same trick. 104, how much it is above from 100 plus 4, how much is 106 above from the base 100 plus 6, right. So, yeah. So, what is the product? 6 into 4, it is 24, right, and what is 104 plus 6, that is 110, or what is 106 plus 4, that is 110. So, answer here comes out to be 11024. Okay. I hope you do not have any doubt. Now, let me give you some questions. Yeah. Okay. So, let us start. Plus 3 plus 5, 5 into 3, 5 into 3 is what? 15. Okay. 103 plus 5, 103 plus 5 is 108, or 105 plus 3 is also 108. So, the answer comes out to be 10815. Okay. Next question, 108 into 102. So, this is plus 8, this is what? Plus 2. So, 8 into 2 is what? 8 into 2 is 16. Okay. Now, 108 plus 2, it comes out to be 110. Here is your answer, 11016. Simple, easy to do. You are able to solve it within 10 seconds. Yeah, that should be your speed to crack IPM. Okay. In IPM paper, the questions are easy, the questions are not tough. The only thing matters is your speed. Okay. Obviously, your concept clarity matters, your concept clarity matters, your practice matters, but speed matters significantly. Okay. Yeah. Next question, 101 into 102. So, basically if you join us, I am going to tell you tricks, different techniques of solving the questions. Okay. And that tricks or techniques, the question will be solved within 20-30 seconds. What your friends will solve in 2 minutes, we will be able to solve it in 20-30 seconds. Okay. Now 101, that is plus 1, and this is basically plus 2. Now 1 into 2 is 2, right, but we do not write it as 2, we write it as 02, right. Why do we write it as 02? Because we know that the base is 100, this is the base is 100, and in 100 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, right, hence we write it as 02. Now next is 101 plus 2, that is 103. So answer comes out to be 10302. Or we can also do it this way, cross addition, 102 plus 1, 10302. Now 109 into 108, so this is plus 9, this is plus 8, right. 9 into 8, 72, right, and 109 plus 8 is 109 plus 8 is 117, right. So answer is 11772, right. So you are able to solve it, it's well and good. Now based on this trick, we have derived a formula. This formula will be helpful for you in when you have to find the squares. Okay. Now suppose you have to find b plus x square. Okay. What is b? Here b is your base, that is 100, okay, and x is any number. So suppose you have to find square of 103, then what will be your x? Your x will be equal to nothing but 3, x will be 3. You have to find the square of 102, your x will be 2. You have to find the square of 104, your x will be 4, right. Now b plus x square, so you do not have to find, you can directly write it as b plus 2x slash x square. Okay. Now I am going to tell how to use it. Suppose I have to find 104 square. Okay. Now here what is my x? X is my 4. What is my b? My b is 100, right. My b is 100, right. So what do I get? I get b plus 2x, 100 plus 2x, that is 108, 108 and slash x square. What is my x square? X square is my 4 square, that is 16 slash 16, and ladies and gentlemen, this is your answer, 10816. This is your answer. Yeah. Just find 106 square. Just find the answer of 106 square using this equation. How you can find? Yeah. So we have here base 100, here we have base as 100, x is 6. So b plus 2x is 112, right, 100 plus 2x slash x square is 36. Okay. So this comes out to be 11236. Next question. Yeah, find 103 square. find 103 square. So, we know that using this trick we can find b is equal to x equal to 3, b is equal to 100, right. So, b plus 2x 100 plus 3 to the 6 106 slash x square. X square means 3 square, 3 square means 9, but we will not write 9, we will not write 9, we will write 09. Okay. So, answer comes out to be 10609. I hope this trick is clear to everyone. Yeah. Should we move on to the next case? So, what we are studying multiplication of any number which is close to 100. Case 1 we studied both numbers were less than 100. Case 2 is both numbers are above 100. Case 3 is one number is above and other is below 100. Okay, I am going to erase it. So, when this trick is going to be helpful? So, when you find the compound interest, in compound interest you need to do such kinds of calculations, right. Yeah, you do 104 square, 103 square, 106 square, you need to do such kinds of calculations. So, this trick will be extremely helpful for you in such case, in those types of questions. Case 3 is when one number is above the base and other is below the base. When one number is above the base, another number is below the base. Okay. So, for example, you have to find 107 into 92. Okay. So, how do we write it? Write it as 107 can be done as plus 7, 92 can be done as minus 8. Okay. Now, what do we do? 7 into minus 8 is, yeah. So, basically 7 into minus 8, what we get? Minus 56. Okay. But can the answer be minus 56? No, it cannot be minus 56. So, here what we do is we carry from here, right. So, when we carry, we write 107 as 106, or we can write 92 as 91. This I can write as 91. Okay. So, why we do this carrying thing, right? It is not called carrying, it is called borrowing. Basically what we are going to do, we are going to borrow. Okay. So, why do we do this borrowing thing? See, suppose you have to find 34 minus 29. Okay. How do you used to do in the lower classes? So, 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9, the answer is minus 5. 4 minus 9 minus 5. But do we do it that way? No, we do not write minus here, right. So, we can't write minus 56 here, this is wrong. What we used to do in lower classes? We used to borrow, right. So, how we used to borrow? This 3 we used to cut it and write it as 2, correct, and then what we used to do with this 4, we used to write it as 14. Clear everyone? How you borrow? So, this we used to write it as 14, and 14 minus 9, 14 minus 9, what it becomes is 5, right. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, answer is comes out to be 5, right. So, in a similar way we are going to do is we are going to borrow from the hundreds place. So, when we borrow from here, this 107 becomes 106, this 92 becomes 91. Okay. Now, when we borrow, we are basically what we are borrowing is we are borrowing 100, we are not borrowing 10, we are borrowing 100. So, 100 minus 56, what do we get? 44, right. So, here instead of writing minus 56, I am going to write plus 44, right. Now what we do? Now 106 minus 8, we will do 106 minus 8. So, this is basically what 98. So, answer is 9844, or we can also do it this way, 91 plus 7, that is 9844. Okay. I hope you are able to grasp this well. Now, we will solve some questions based on it. Yeah, just find the answer and tell me. Okay. So, let me solve it. 103 plus 3, this is what, minus 5, plus 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Okay. But we do not write it as minus 15. What we will do, we will borrow, this will become 102. So, 100 minus 15, this will be how much? This will be 85. Okay. Now, 85, 102 minus 5, this will be how much? This will be 102 minus 5, this will be 97. So, answer is 9785. Yeah. Yeah. Next question, 106 into 98. So, this is plus 6, this is minus 2. 6 2s are minus 12, but we do not write minus 12, we will write 100 minus 12, because 1 we will borrow from here, 105, 100 minus 12 will be how much? This will be your 88. Okay. Now, 88, 105 minus 2 is 103, or we can write it as this way also, 97 plus 6, 97 plus 6 is also 103. So, the answer comes out to be 10388. Okay. Yeah. So, students, this was my class on Vedic maths techniques. Okay. So, if you join our live online course, I will be teaching you more and more techniques. We will try to solve the questions using shortcut tricks and techniques which will help you improve your IPMAT score and you get your selection in your IPMAT. Okay. Our course has live classes. In the live classes you can ask the doubts in the chat box, plus for doubt solving there is 24/7 chat box, right. You can 24/7 you can send the doubts on the WhatsApp to the faculty. The faculty number will be shared with you. Also, after every chapter completion there will be a doubt clearing session in which you can clear all your doubts. Okay. Apart from this, you get study material, exhaustive study material having 4000 plus multiple choice questions which are based on the latest IPMAT pattern. Plus you get all India mock test series, more than 30 all India mock tests. Okay. So if you want, you can purchase the subscription from our website. Thank you very much. Signing off.